The 2025 Mercedes AMG GT63 Coupe is a high-performance luxury grand tourer with a powerful V8 engine and advanced technology. It offers a blend of luxury and track-inspired performance, making it suitable for both daily driving and spirited outings. A handcrafted AMG 4.0 LV8 bi-turbo engine with direct injection, producing 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus variable all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and handling. If you love this video, hit subscribe, like and share.